it's me, Zippy, and today is July 3rd, 2020. This is the day before the 4th of July, so you can call it 4th of July Eve, I guess. But today, I'm making a new video, and as you guys know, or maybe you don't know, I'm a huge history junkie. I totally love history, and I don't know, I just, sometimes I come across videos on YouTube, and they're like videos, like tutorial videos usually of like people, doing tutorials, and usually they end up going ahead and basically showing you their desktop, obviously. And whenever I see the desktops from like videos from so long ago, I was like, oh my goodness, this is like forever ago. This is like, oh, back in the day. And so I was just kind of inspired by that, and I was kind of thinking like of making a time capsule of, just scenes, like events that are going on in 2020, which is a huge, crazy year. I'm going to be showing it to you on my own desktop here, on this Dell laptop, which is using Microsoft Windows software. And this is, I believe, Windows 10? Let's just check here. I believe it is Windows 10. I don't know how you can check. But yeah, I don't even know if I'm doing this right. Am I doing this right? Am I? I'm nervous. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna move on, and this is first of all, I'm gonna show you a little bit of the desktop. We have our apps here, all our applications. As you can tell, they're very updated. They're very new. This is the newest version of Windows, I believe. Yeah, I think it should be. As you can tell, all the necessary applications are here. Basically, everything you can ask for is right here, and many of them come with the system, obviously. Some are downloaded, like this one, it obviously says new. What else is new here? This one is just kind of new. It's more often used now. And then you have, what else? That's pretty much about it, right? I think that's pretty much about it. But then you have the user here. Documents are found here. Pictures, settings, power. You get the gist of it. Okay. And then also here you have, some of your, like, recently used apps. Some of your browsers. I often use Google Chrome. There's no Internet Explorer here. I don't know if that got discontinued or something, but apparently it's not here anymore. But if I don't use Google Chrome, I use Firefox. I use that mostly to just like watch YouTube TV. Edge I don't usually use, but it ends up being like, if you like click on a link or something like that, or click on like a PDF document, it opens up in Edge all the time. It just like goes directly to that. And here's some academic tools and links and sites. So, I hope this is recording, guys. Honestly, it's my first time using this kind of not software, but application. Anyway, here's a desktop. Here's what's it called? The wallpaper, which you can change, I believe, if you want to. So yeah, folders are here. You can see the folders, everything. So let's get started. It's almost 1 o'clock, and I wanted to share with you some things. By the way, this is what's it called? I forgot the name of this thing. Is it the deck? Something like that? No, it's not. I forgot. But here also you can search whatever you want. I've been using this. This is what I've been writing. And these are some, obviously, apps that are used a lot. And here's, something else about Microsoft Edge. Apps are here. Documents are here. Something about web. I haven't really explored this part that much, so. But you can go all the way here. Something like that. So, yeah. Oh, you can like, okay, that's cool. Oh, okay. And then you have some other things. I really haven't explored this before, so I'm just kind of seeing it for the first time. If you want to know what the build it is, this is the build. 2020. Kind of ironic. Okay, let's go on. Let's go to Microsoft. Sorry. Let's go to the Google Chrome browser. My favorite browser, by the way. And here, this is the first page you start up. So let's explore the internet in 2020. You want to see some cool apps? Well, here are the most used apps. Let me show you the first one I use the most often. It's Facebook. So this is Facebook right now. So it did basically change its format like Reddit, which was like, whoa, like pretty new for me. As you can tell, they have a lot different display than they did before. It's very modern. You know, it's nice though, you know. At first, excuse me, I didn't like it that much, but I've become more like, it's become crazy, you know, easy to adjust to. And they have some things. I really don't go on these little bars here. I don't. I really don't. Oh, memories. Do I have any? Oh, wow. I used to be very big back then, as you can tell. Oh, wow. Okay, so thank you. I'm gonna go over here and show you guys this something that's new. I don't know what this is really, but it is apparently a COVID-19 information center. As you know, COVID has been going on for the past 6 months, if not more than that at this point. You can see the cases that are happening. Obviously, if you don't know by this time, there's a resurgence going on. As you can tell here, 40 of 50 U.S. states are seeing a rise in COVID-19 infections. So we thought we were out of the woods, but we're really not out of the woods yet. People are closing beaches in a lot of counties also because of the 4th of July holiday. And, ooh, this is some big news. The frat house has a lot of cases. Are they living in a frat house right now, or? That's kind of confusing. I thought colleges were not in session. But here you can get the cases. Globally, we're at almost 11,000. US, we're over almost 3,000. Sorry, 10 million. Sorry, guys. Over almost 11 million. In the US, it's almost 3 million. In New York, it's 394,000. And New York City, it's 215,000. So, there you go. You have the NYC, NYS, DOH, and the CDC all here to help you with COVID information. Ooh, free stuff in New York City, nice. Alright, so, yeah. Pretty much interesting things. But very good information for those who want to know about the pandemic and what to do. So yeah, I'm not gonna take too much time here because you can go on there right now and look at it yourself. If you have Facebook, obviously they update this a lot too. Facebook, yeah, but pretty much just, you know, if you want to see my page, okay, this is the home. This is what you get. Just a bunch of nice contacts and things here. Some things on the side, your friends who are online. Group chats. What's here? Shortcuts. This is the group I'm a part of. I've been part of this group for a long time. And then you have, okay, let's go. YouTube Watch. I don't watch this actually. I've never been here before. I've never been here before. That's amazing. It's a lot of videos. I feel so overwhelmed right now. Oh, wow. Okay, and you have stuff here that you can go watch. These are like groups that I like, apparently. Then you also have, what's it called? YouTube Watch? Oh, YouTube Friend. What is this? Oh, groups, sorry. I was confused. Gaming? This is actually new, I believe, because I've never heard of this before. I've heard of groups, I've heard of watching, I've heard of home, but I always say I've heard of home, but gaming is new. We'll get into gaming some more at this point. The Last of Us Part 2 came out, so that's a big deal. And there's many streamers here. Wow, I didn't know this was a thing, actually. PUBG. Fortnite was a thing like a few months ago. Not a few months ago, a few years ago. I don't know, like even just last year. I don't know, it's kind of like not as big as it was before. Okay, but let's go to my profile. Let me show you an example of a YouTube profile. Visit my COVID-19 website, guys. Please do that. Here is my profile, you know? I love it. I like it. It's really cute. It's really nice. Here are my posts and everything, and so yeah. I like this a lot. So you can edit, you can do whatever. You can create a post, you can type a messenger, you can go to notifications, which I have too many that I haven't looked at, and you can also go to these stuff, and yeah. Let's move on. Instagram is a huge app also that's being used currently. Here's my profile. I don't use it a lot, to be honest. I really haven't used it in forever, as you can tell. These are very much old photos, but they're recently, they're kind of the ones that show up first because I haven't posted a lot. You have, what's it called? Direct messages. The explore page is here. Oh, K-pop. I haven't been on Instagram for so long. Oh my goodness, I don't even know how they recommended stuff to me because I haven't been on it for so long. I don't know, some of these things I don't know why they came up. Because it's like, I don't really know. Some of them I don't really know why they're there. Others I know exactly why they're there. Yeah. Alright, so that's what's trending. I see a lot of people use Instagram, obviously. That's like common sense. You can stay here forever. Obviously, I have a lot of K-pop stuff, a lot of tennis stuff, tennis news. I just have a bunch of, and whatever else is there, mostly memes, because I love memes a lot. So, yes, yeah, you can see tennis stuff is everywhere, and Harry Potter stuff as well. All right, let's move on. You can stay here forever, exactly. So, this is the likes page, whatever. Oh, it's just showing up something here. People who like your photos. Okay. The home page is here. I don't know what these are. People who you want to follow. This is new. They actually updated this, actually. Not gonna lie, they updated this, so at least on the desktop for me, you know. Here are people's stories, which is kind of a new thing. I don't know. It's not like crazy new. But you have a bunch of just like posts here and everything, whatnot, that you'll find, over here. So just a bunch of kind of things you'll find. So let's move on, to the next one, which is, Twitter, very popular. Alright, so this is my page, this is actually my Facebook page, I know. I joined almost 6 years ago, whoa. And then you have people you might like, then you have a bunch of things, my posts, and oh, Pop Smoke's album is out. Oh, I was reading about that the other time. I said this already. Oh wow, okay, so this is a lot of news that's happening on. You can go and see a bunch of news, honestly, it's just crazy. All the news. Okay. And then, okay, what is this? I don't know what that is. Hashtags are here. It's the exact same thing everywhere. I don't know what's the difference. So, what's it called? Okay, messages. I have one message. That's nice. I don't even know what that is. Okay. I don't use Twitter, as you can tell. I really don't. I really don't. If you want to make a new tweet though, you go here, do cool stuff like that, and then yeah, and you got it. So, all right, let's move on to the next one, which is what am I looking for? Which is Reddit. I love Reddit a lot, actually. I have 2 accounts on Reddit. This is one of my accounts. Yeah, I missed this me a long time ago, my goodness. It's so crazy. Okay, so, yeah. I don't have many posts, because last time I posted, what was that? Posted when? A year ago! Oh, wow, okay. Oh, some top-going communities.